In this video, you will see how to fix File Explorer preview pane not working on Windows 11. I'll show you 4 different methods to fix it. Let's get started. First method, check if preview pane is enabled. For that, open File Explorer and on top click on View and select preview pane. If you do not find it over here, hover on Show and you will see it over here. But in my case, it is under View, so I will be selecting it. So here a preview pane will be enabled and this is how you can see preview. Method 2, restart Windows Explorer. For that, go to the Windows option, right click on it, open Task Manager, select Windows Explorer and click on Restart Tasks. Now open File Explorer to check if that worked for you. Now let's move to the third method, which is check File Explorer options. Open File Explorer first and click on these 3 dots. Go to Options. Now go to the View tab and make sure under Files and Folders, if this is checked, always show icons, never thumbnails, uncheck it. Scroll a bit down and here make sure Show Preview Handlers in Preview pane is selected and then click on Apply and then OK. Try restarting File Explorer. Once done, check if this fix your problem. If that doesn't help, go to the 3 dots, go to Options and click on Restore Defaults. This should fix your problem. If not, then we'll move on to the next step, which is run SFC scan. Click on the Start menu, insert CMD, open command prompt as an administrator. Now type SFC space / scan now and hit enter. The scan will take some time. It will find the issues and try to repair them. If it couldn't, it will suggest fixes. Once the operation gets completed, restart your system and check if the preview pane is working for you. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Mac369 and hit a like.